In Ivory Coast, they say, grossesse c'est pas ta camarade. Salut à tous et à toutes, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been, I don't know how many months since I filmed. I'm so sorry I haven't been able to upload any video for the past couple of months, but yeah, from the title, I guess you know what's up, what's going on. So this video is just like a recap for the past couple of months, like what I've been up to, what's going on, and yeah, where do I even start? I am currently 35 weeks pregnant. Yeah, I know, like I also can't believe it, like me. So it's just been quite a journey. I only have like 6 weeks left. I am due to give birth in August 7th, Cote d'Ivoire's Independence Day. It'll be like, it will be so huge for this baby. I wasn't able to upload videos because I was just tired. I was tired all the time. You know, I've been like growing a baby, and that's a whole job on its own, and my body was just doing its thing. And I filmed like 4 videos, which I haven't even started editing, because the only time that I had that I could edit was during the weekends, and on the weekends I would find myself just taking naps. I've been sleeping a lot. Your body is working overtime, just creating these little body parts for your, you know, baby and everything. It was just a thing where I have breakfast, I want to sleep. I have lunch, I want to sleep. I push something just a bit, like some small work, I want to take a nap. So that's what I've been doing most of the time, and YouTube was just on the side. I was also not feeling like really motivated. Like I would film, look at a video and be like, I don't really like this. So I've already bought baby stuff. I started by buying baby clothes when I was like 5 months pregnant, and I was feeling a bit, how can I say, guilty, because when you know when you talk to people and they explain to you their culture, they'll be like, oh, us we buy when the baby has come. And I was just like, oh, I'm seeing all these cute things online, cute baby stuff, and I'm like, it's so cute, I have to buy it. So I started buying clothes, and I was trying to be like minimalistic. I didn't want to have so many baby clothes because they eventually and they quickly outgrow things. So I just bought the basic stuff and whatever will be needed for like the first 3 to 6 months, and then after that we'll see how things go, how things progress. See, I have this huge carton in my living room, and those are the baby stuff that we've bought. So what I did is I had made a baby registry for the things that we needed, and I just couldn't find the courage to tell people that I have a baby registry because I don't like asking people for stuff. So we just ended up paying for things. But I was really lucky because the place where I bought the stuff, once you have your list, you can go and just select your things and they give you a receipt. And that time it was around the period of Mother's Day, so I got a huge discount, and then you are able to pay slowly, like over the next coming months. So if you started buying things 5 months before, you can just pay it slowly until you finish. Which, by the way, some of these things are so expensive, like baby bottles, especially when you buy the nice ones like Chico and Avent. Like you can buy 4 baby bottles for like 40,000 CFR. So, oh wow, it's raining heavily. Let me see if I close this window. Okay, still not bad. There's some light. You can see me, right? I'm planning to do a video on where I bought baby stuff in Abidjan. So I bought like second-hand things and I bought brand new things. So it will be something which people who have budget for both will be able to benefit from it. So watch out for that video. I'll also be doing a video about maternity leave here in Cote d'Ivoire, and I'm hoping to help one of you someday. So yeah, also watch out for that video. What else? Yeah, in April my mom came. My mom visited for like a week and we had a good time, and she'll be coming, like God willing, she'll be coming in around August, around the time that I'm due to give birth, because I told her, like, you really need to be there when the baby's like fresh and new and tiny and like all cute and stuff, because I didn't want to send her like videos of the baby. I mean, it's just like, I can't believe, like very soon I'll be doing a video with the baby here, so that's going to be really interesting. I decided not to do a baby shower, and a lot of people are like, why you don't want to do a baby shower? Well, first, because I just feel like it's something intimate, and you should invite people who are genuinely like happy for you, who genuinely care for you. And I didn't want to just invite people to come to my baby shower just for the sake of coming to my baby shower, or for the sake of having a baby shower because people have baby showers. If I was in Kenya, like, yeah, it would have really worked, because I know I would have, my cousins would have been there, and it would have been really nice and like special. So I decided, like, I don't really have to do that. Also, I had just asked around, and the ladies that I know that have given birth were like, it's really not that necessary. But one thing that is necessary and I'm really late for is the Bailey photo shoot. Hopefully I get to do it, because my Bailey has become so big and it's like going down, it's hanging low, so I need to do it as soon as possible. Another thing that I really wanted to do, and I haven't done, I need to work on it, is taking a bath class. Even though I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I'm not scared, I'm calm, I was hoping I could find a bath class where I would go with my boyfriend. In Ivory Coast, they say, grossesse c'est pas ta camarade. This past couple of months with my pregnancy, I would just say it has gone pretty well. I feel like I have been lucky, and I've just been blessed, honestly, because I didn't really like suffer a lot of symptoms, other than the fact that I'm trying to just deal with gestational diabetes and watching my sugar and all that, but which I think I should do a video about, like what pregnancy symptoms I've had, right? If you think that's a good idea, just tell me in the comment section below, and I'm hoping it will help other people, because when you're pregnant for the first time, you normally think, okay, this horrible thing is going to happen to me, that horrible symptom is going to happen to me, and then it doesn't, and maybe you're like, okay, am I normal? Is everything okay with the baby? So yeah, I think I need to do that type of video. I'm just hoping that the labor also favors me. Baby, please don't take your time, okay? Just come quickly. There's a lot to do in this world, so you need to come quickly. Also, during these 7 months, I have taken the most amount of medicine I've ever taken in my entire life, which of course it's just the prenatal vitamins. I've had my blood drawn, I don't know how many times. I've been vaccinated, how many? I've gone there, is it 3 or 4 times? Like, I'm not scared of injections anymore. I've spent so much money on food, not because of the fact that you have to eat food too, but because, like, I've had the type of pregnancy where I don't know what I want to eat, and things haven't been appealing to me. I would see someone eat something and I'd be like, I want to eat that, and I have to buy it, or I have to look at food online, on Facebook or on Glovo, just to get an idea, an appetite of what I would like to eat. So it has really made me spend so much money, and also the fact that I need to watch my sugar levels and eat healthy. Buying some of these healthy meals can be quite expensive, so yeah, I've really spent a lot of money on food so far this year. So that is it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really looking forward to filming again and putting out videos for you guys. Let me just say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to go and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that you get notified every time I upload my videos. Another thing is, if you enjoyed the content that I put up, you can now support me on Buy Me a Coffee. So you can go to the link, I'll put it in the description box below. You can go there and buy me a coffee for $3, $2, $4, however much you think you can contribute, just to say, you know, Tracy, you are doing a good job, and here's some coffee you can drink after you give birth. Not now, I'm not drinking coffee now. So until my next video,